welcome to the custom accessories channel. Today I will show you how to protect and install our cooler guard to protect your intercooler. As you can see from the production of this is 2007 P2 XC70, it has no protection, so the cooler guard, as you can see, is ready for a change. But in today's video we will show you how to change it. And as you may know, we are offering those aluminum made, coated, painted cooler guards for Xccessories P2. We have the newest, it's called rough surface. It's like this rough color paint. Now this beautiful orange one, and very nice black one. We will install today the orange one. As you can see, my Xc70 has already skid plate from the Hex Protect, so we will match it with the same color. So we will install the orange one. What do you need for this installation? You need to unscrew. There are two covers like those. You need to open it. There are two bolts, one here, one here. Then there are two bolts here which you need to release to move the front bumper. And then you have those 6 holes which hold the front bumper. This is the requirement to release the cooler guard front bumper. And also you need to unplug front fog lights. As you can see, I already did it. So one, and there's a second one. So when all bolts are released, you just slightly lift it and you move it. So this is how the bumper from the inside looks like, and as you can see, closer look at our intercooler, it would require replacement. So this will happen in the next video. Each cooler guard has these 3M stickers, double side tapes, so you need to remove all those red ones. I will do it off screen.
5 minutes later.
You will end up with those double-sided tapes, and it fits basically on those double-sided, and it's held against the bumper and the rubber cover around the intercooler. Those holes are designed for additional blind rivets, so if you are like not sure, you can rivet it. But the prototype was there for 2 years almost, and it held only by those double-sided tapes. And the installation is basically, you just place it the bottom part first, and then you just squeeze the upper part, and that's all. Now we are going to replace the bumper with the cooler guard. Second. Look at that, how shiny and nice it is. And now we put everything back in order. Now everything is back in order. You can see it will fit perfectly and nothing will hit the intercooler. It already saved several cars, which guys thank me till now that it saved them.